Hey everyone, today we've got some groundbreaking news for all you Tesla lovers out there. An unreleased, refreshed Tesla Model 3 has been leaked, and we're going to dig into all the juicy details. Before we start, don't forget to check out our website, weandr.com, to read about this topic and many other fascinating subjects. Now, let's get into it.
Let's go!
Since its launch in 2017, the Model 3 hasn't seen many significant changes, aside from a few cosmetic and internal updates. However, Tesla has been busy improving manufacturing efficiency, leading to the mysterious Project Highland. We first caught wind of Project Highland a few months back, and though details have been sparse, we knew it involved updating the Model 3's exterior, upgrading sensors, and revamping the manufacturing process. And now, we've finally got our hands on some leaked images. There have been multiple sightings of heavily camouflaged Model 3S on the road, with Tesla clearly trying to hide the front and rear of the car. In some instances, we've noticed differences in the wheels and side fender camera line extending further into the driver's side door, a feature the Model Y has, but the Model 3 doesn't. We've also heard that the new Model 3 will include Hardware 4.0 and possibly additional cameras in the front bumper or headlights. Production is set to start in Q3 of this year, and we've got a sneak peek of what's to come. A recent Reddit post reveals what appears to be the updated Model 3. The new design features sleeker headlights, reminiscent of the Tesla Roadster, and a redesigned front bumper. While the Tesla logo is missing, we believe this is a prototype that has been leaked. Compared to the current Model 3, the Project Highland refresh brings a more aggressive and modern look. Some may argue this could be a third-party body kit, but we believe otherwise. The design aligns with Tesla's language and matches rumored launch timelines. Additionally, the extended fender camera line we spotted in the wild is present in the leaked photo, further supporting our belief that this is indeed the Project Highland Model 3. The absence of ultrasonic sensors and rumors of a front camera in the bumper also support this theory. We're confident that this leaked photo shows the upcoming Project Highland Model 3, and we can't wait to see it in action. With production rumored to start in Q3, the new design will undoubtedly make the Model 3 stand out from its previous iterations. So, what do you think of the refreshed Tesla Model 3? Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to visit our website, weandr.com, to read more about this and other exciting topics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, stay charged and take care.